Guys, you will not believe what just happened. Okay, this is me. Umbra. She commented. I'm so happy. Guys, she's one of my favorite. How did she comment? Bruh, this was so early. This was like, gosh, I'm so happy, guys. Anyways, look at this video. This is a badge. So funny.